G'day, so in this video we're going to be looking at how the universe expands using a balloon, a marker and measuring tape, or you might need to use a ruler and a piece of string. So first what you need to do is you need to just blow up your balloon to about 10 centimeters in diameter. So one little short breath should do that, okay? Probably a little bit less than that. So what we need to do is also mark out our galaxies. So first we'll mark off the Milky Way, so Earth right on the end, okay, or somewhere near the end. Alright, just like this. Just got to put an E for Earth. And then we need to put 4 other galaxies around this at different distances, okay? Just randomly around, and I'll just do this and then show the camera. So with this, and we're just going to label these 1 to 4. Okay, unless you actually want to name them after galaxies like Andromeda. Okay, so I've got 4 galaxies here around Earth. So what you need to do now is you need to measure how far these are away, and this might be a bit tricky if you are doing it by yourself. So I suggest get an elastic band like this and wrap it around your balloon a couple of times, and it should hold, that's if my fingers are working alright, and it should hold the air in there alright. And if it isn't really, you can always support it with a peg and put a peg over it as well. So now what you need to do is get your piece of string or measuring tape and measure how far all of these are away from each other just by going over it like so, okay? And do that for all of them. I'll put up the measurements later so you don't need to watch me doing all that. So after you've measured from Earth to all the different galaxies and from galaxy 1 to all the different galaxies, now we need to put more air in it to show that the universe is expanding. Okay, so we're going to do this. So hopefully you can see here that these are a lot further apart, okay? So you probably want to put in 2 or 3 good breaths here, okay? And now we're actually just doing the same thing. So you might need to get your elastic band again, put it around a few times, making sure that the air doesn't escape. Alright. And you might want to put a peg on it as well, just to make sure that no air escapes. So hopefully you can see that these are a lot further apart, okay? So all we need to do now is do the same measurements again. And that's all you'll need to do for your prac, and then collect up the results. Alright? So good luck with that and have fun.